Whether you're job hunting, know someone who is, or just like leveling up, you've come to the right place. So stick around, as today we're diving into my top 5 resume hacks that will help you land interviews faster. These aren't just tips, they're proven strategies I've used myself. So grab your coffee, sit tight, hit that like button, and let's dive into the first hack. Number 1, decode the job description faster than ever. This one is a game changer when it comes to making your resume stand out. Let's say your job description says looking for a results-driven project manager with experience leading cross-functional teams, optimizing workflows, and delivering measurable outcomes. Now imagine your resume says manage projects and work with teams. See the disconnect? It's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. The job description is literally your cheat sheet. It's telling you what they want, and resume needs to speak their language. For instance, maybe say led cross-functional teams to streamline workflows, cutting project delays by 25%, and delivering a $500 million program. Now I know what you're thinking. That's a great idea, but I don't have time for this. I've got kids, school, family, a house to clean, or just too much on my plate as it is. Trust me, I get it. But here's the game changer. We've developed a faster way to solve this issue. And for the first time ever, I'm sharing this with you. It's called workready's Advanced Compatibility Checker. Here you can check how compatible your resume is against any job description. And you'll know exactly where you shine and what to fix. It's like having a resume coach in your pocket. No guesswork, no wasted hours, just actionable feedback to make your resume unstoppable. All right, now that you've tailored your resume to match the job description, let's talk about adding that magic ingredient that makes recruiters take notice: numbers. I'm talking about hack 2, quantifying everything. Now let's get real for a second. Saying managed a team on your resume is about as exciting as saying I went to the gym. Cool, but what did you do there? Lift weights? Run a marathon? Bench press a car? We need details. Because recruiters love numbers. They're like trophies that prove you're awesome. So instead of saying managed a team, maybe say managed a team of 15, increasing quarterly sales by 25%. Now here's the real kicker. Crafting quantified bullet points doesn't just make you sound awesome. It shows you're results driven. The trick is to follow a simple 3-step magic formula. Step number 1, start with accomplishments. What did you achieve? Step number 2, explain how you did it. What tools or methods did you use? Step number 3, show the result. What was the measurable impact? For example, instead of saying improve team workflows, write streamline team workflows by implementing agile methodologies, reducing project delays by 30%. See how quantifying your achievements can make such a difference? But here's the thing. If the top of your resume doesn't grab attention, there's an issue. That's why hack 3 is all about nailing the first 7 seconds. Picture this. You're flipping through Netflix. You click on a show, and the first 7 seconds bore you to death. What do? Click away, right? Well, recruiters do the same with resumes. They spend just 7 seconds on average deciding if you're worth their time or not. So, your resume's opening needs to pack a punch. This is where summary section becomes your secret weapon. It's the opening scene of your resume and has to grab the attention right away. Now, most people start with something generic, like hardworking professionals seeking opportunities. That's the Netflix equivalent of a blank screen with sad violin music. Instead, craft a summary that hooks them instantly. To do this, I use a 3-question formula that makes crafting a summary section super simple. Question 1. How many years of experience do you have? And what tools and skills do you bring? Question 2. What's your most impactful achievement or project? Question 3. Why are you a great fit for the job? Now here's an example of how your summary could look. Over 8 years of experience utilizing agile methodologies, Azure DevOps, and data analysis to achieve significant productivity improvements. At Oculus, improve team alignment by 27% and reduce ticket backlog by 55% through workflow enhancements. Known for fostering collaboration and adaptability in fast-paced, team-oriented environments. It's concise, impactful, and shows exactly what you bring to the table. A pro tip: Your summary sets the tone for your resume. Make it count. So now you've got a killer opening. But what about the rest of your resume? This is where most people lose recruiters, because their resumes are too cluttered. And that's where hack number 4 will help you cut through the fluff. Let me tell you something. Your resume is not your life story. It's a highlight reel, not a 10-part documentary on Netflix. If your resume is more than 2 pages long and you're not in an executive level position, we've got a problem. Now here's my resume with over 9 years of experience. As you can see, it is barely 1.5 pages long, capturing all my highlights well. A simple, easy to read, and straight to the point resume. So to achieve this, here's what you do. First, trim out anything that's not relevant to the job. Second, use bullet points, not paragraphs. Nobody has time to read your life essay. And third, replace weak verbs like helped with power words like led, optimized, or executed. For example, if you're applying for a marketing role, don't include the summary you worked as a cashier, unless you can spin it into something like managed customer interactions, boosting daily sales by 15%. Oh, and let's not forget formatting. Make it clean, easy to read, and straight to the point. Don't make recruiters play hide and seek with your skills. All right, now that your resume looks clean and focused, it's time to make your skills do the heavy lifting. Hack number 5 is all about showcasing the skills that make you the perfect fit for the job. Here's the deal. Your skills section is not the place to dump random buzzwords like communication or Microsoft Office. I mean, come on. We're better than that. Think of your skills section as a cheat sheet for recruiters. They're skimming for keywords that match the job. So, make their life easy by dividing your skills into 3 categories. Number 1, technical skills, such as agile methodologies, project planning, Python, etc. Number 2, tools, such as Jira, Confluence, or Power BI. And number 3, soft skills, such as cross-functional collaboration, creative problem solving, etc. Now, I know some people might say, soft skills don't belong in the skills section. But here's the thing, soft skills are critical. They show that you're more than just a list of qualification. And a pro tip, only include soft skills that you can prove in your experience section. For example, don't just say communication. Instead, show it like this. Facilitated weekly team meetings to align more than 15 cross-functional team members, improving project delivery timelines by 20%. And don't forget to customize your skill sections for every job. If your job description screams SEO and analytics, make sure those keywords are front and center. Now I know, quantifying everything, updating summaries, cutting the fluff off, revising skills for every job may sound like a lot of work. But don't worry. WorkReady's AI Resume Builder can easily help you update all these sections against the job description and tells you exactly what to keep and what to toss. It's like a cheat code for your resume, making recruiters see why you're the perfect match. And there you have it, the 5 hacks to transform your resume and get noticed by recruiters. But these hacks only work if you put them into action. By the way, if you're feeling stuck, check out WorkReady's AI Resume Builder. It's your shortcut to crafting a polished professional resume fast. The first 500 people to sign up will get something extra special. So go to workready.ai and let's make your dream job a reality. And if you like this video and our content, consider subscribing and press the notification bell to get updates on all our future videos. Until next time, I'm Mr. WorkReady, and I'm here to make your job hunt easier, smarter, and less stressful. See you soon.